You think a nuclear explosion is a giant fireball and a terrifying mushroom cloud. It isn't. Fire requires oxygen, and space is a completely airless void. Detonate a nuke in orbit, and there is no blast wave. There is no shockwave to knock down buildings. Instead, you create something far more insidious. You are not dropping a bomb. You are creating an artificial star that fries entire continents in absolute silence. The most destructive weapons on Earth operate under entirely different laws of physics when they leave the atmosphere. Welcome to Space Facts. Let's break down the horrifying mechanics of an orbital nuclear detonation and why a single warhead could instantly end the digital age. When an intercontinental ballistic missile is launched across the globe, it doesn't just fly through the sky. It actually enters the freezing, airless vacuum of space before coming back down. But what if it detonates up there? On Earth, a nuke's energy is absorbed by the air, creating a shockwave. The equation for kinetic energy requires 1/2 mass times velocity squared. In space, there is no mass to push. The energy radiates purely as blinding thermal light and lethal gamma rays. The flash is so intense it can permanently blind anyone looking at the sky for hundreds of miles. The gamma rays hit the top of Earth's atmosphere, violently stripping electrons from oxygen atoms. The Earth's magnetic field catches these free electrons, accelerating them to near the speed of light. This invisible, high-speed electrical storm is called an electromagnetic pulse. Imagine dropping a live wire into an ocean, but the ocean is the entire North American continent. If a massive warhead detonates 300 miles above the United States, that pulse generates thousands of volts inside anything with a wire. It is an instant catastrophic overload. The power grid violently burns out. Transformers explode. The microchips inside your car, your phone, and the water pumping stations physically melt. You hear no explosion. You just watch the lights go out. Meanwhile, the radiation trapped in orbit creates an artificial radiation belt surrounding the planet. Satellites flying through this zone have their circuits fried within weeks. The GPS network dies. Global finance collapses. A single bomb detonating in complete silence sends civilization back to the 19th century in under a second. A nuclear weapon in the vacuum of space trades physical destruction for absolute technological paralysis. We survive the immediate flash, only to starve in the silent dark that follows. If this space explosion breakdown changed your perspective, hit that like button. Subscribe to Space Facts for more space science and universe deep dives.